Roscon 2060, and this robot is TurtleBot 3. So I have a lot of chance to hear new needs of TurtleBot 3. For example, low cost, small size, more extensibility, and full open source support. So I summarized these needs and involved the TurtleBot 3 project, robotics, and OSRF.
And that's what we're looking at here is a very small robot, which is the size of essentially just all that you need to hold a single board computer and some batteries. So if you look in here, the width of the robot, the shoulder width about this case has an Orbeck Astra camera. This other one here has an Intel RealSense camera on it. But what's great is now we can have these little single board computers. So back here you can see a single board computer that is able to run this whole robot, as well as the microcontroller board, which is going to talk to the servos. One of the exciting parts of the TurtleBot 3 is the way that Robotis has designed it. They have these little plates that bolt together in different ways. So in this one, there's 3 of these plates that make up the top shelf of the robot, and then 3 make up the bottom shelf. But you can also reconfigure them in any other way that you want to. And here we have now, instead of a differential drive robot, these are steered casters on each corner of the robot, as well as then taking it one level further and adding an arm on top. So the TurtleBot 3 is exciting for me personally because I love to dig down into the system, and so having open source firmware and open source microcontroller board, you'll be able to see the whole system all the way from top to bottom and understand how it works.
So I hope TurtleBot user become new contributor of open source robotics.